guys, it's time to do another showcase. I have another painting now ready to be added to my Etsy shop, and we're going to get up close and look at all the beautiful details. I've brought it outside where the sunshine can showcase those gorgeous metallic paints. We also have metallic sparkle showing up in the background even, if you can see there. So this one is going to sparkle in the light all over. This one was done live on TikTok, and you can see a video of that on my channel if you want to browse and locate that if you're interested in seeing this being created. I think this one is really fun and beautiful. I hope you guys think so too. It is a 12-inch by 12-inch canvas. It's been sealed with numerous coats of a polyurethane top coat. I will be adding this to my Etsy shop today, so be sure to go over and check that out. I'm excited to add something new to the shop. I hope you guys have enjoyed this showcase. I will be seeing you again soon. Until then, enjoy the rest of your day. Bye-bye.